Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your website using Replit AI. This is really simple. Just go to the browser, go for the Replit AI, hit enter, and here you will find replit.com. So go with it, open it in a new tab. In the right top corner here you can see we have create account option. So click here and go with your Google account. Here we go, we have logged in to our account. We can go with the few ones. So we'll select this, continue with the starter, and here you can see we have design and app. So basically we'll go with the design, and I'm going to show you the very simple website. So I'm going to say here, make a new site, static new site for me. Now I'll hit enter and it will actually generate me a new site. So let's check. Here we go, we got nice new site here you can see. So we have a footer, nice footer also. Now if you want to change anything, you can actually continue here in the left bottom corner. Here you can see, just mention what you actually want, and then you will actually create exactly what you want. Now let's say you want to copy any website. Let's say you want to clone any website. So what you have to do, you just have to actually take a snapshot by pressing Windows plus Shift plus S from your keyboard, and then select let's say any site. Let's say this site. So I'll actually select this. Okay, and then what you have to do, you just have to actually paste it here by Ctrl plus V. Okay, here you go, and now you have to mention that make a clone of this website. Then it will actually generate the whole website. The problem is it will not generate exactly, it will not directly clone it. Okay, directly copy it. What it will do is it will take the image as reference, and then depends on your prompt, it will actually combine them. Then after the combination, then it will actually provide you a unique website design. Through Replit, you can actually generate your website. Here you can see, now you can click here in the right top corner. Here you can see publish. So click here, publish. Here we go. Now our app is published. Here you can see website. So now we'll copy this link, and here we open it in a new tab. Here we go, this is our site. So now if you want to change anything, you can actually change it here, and then you can actually publish your website. Here you can see this is a nice, really nice news site, right? All right, so guys, I have shown you how you can actually create or generate a website using Replit AI. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.